The coolest thing happened. My friend had a neighbor who moved out and was like, hey, he's giving something away. He was an artist and he was wondering if I had any friends who could use it. Turns out it was the Artist 15.6 Pro. This is going to help my workflow a lot. So let's unbox it together. Hopefully all the parts are there, if you know what I mean. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Ah! Here we go. Ah, here it is. It's huge. Look, size reference. That's my hand. Ba-bam! So nice. Now I wonder if it comes with everything, like the stand. If it's new, it will. So the stand has been taken out, which is kind of a bummer, but that's okay. We're going to figure it out without it. It comes with the connecting cables and some adapters and the XP pen. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, here it is. Ah, so exciting. It looks really nice. It looks like a Wacom pen. It's got a rubber tip, and you don't need to charge this one like you do with the Apple Pencil, so it's actually pretty awesome. The cap for this also operates as a pen stand when you're using it. Let me show you what would actually come if you bought it brand new. The things that were missing from the one that I got were a stand, an artist glove, and an HDMI adapter, which is vital for this to work. So I had to wait another week and get my own. I bought a Moken from Amazon. This product has a variety of input methods, so you have USB, USB-C, SD cards, HDMI, everything you're going to need. I highly recommend it. Now we're going to turn it on and see how we can make this work. So I found that you need to have the latest drive to actually make it work and have it to be fully functional without too many bugs. You will need to allow the pen tablet to record the computer screen to be used as a second monitor. Unlock your computer by clicking this lock button and entering your password. And now you can click the box next to the pen tablet to allow it. Hit quit and reopen. Your computer will need to restart. Here's what it'll look like after you've allowed access. This is the Artist 15.6 Pro app XP pen. Under pen settings, make sure you click the right application that you're using by clicking the plus button next to the application bar. Now hit calibrate. The white screen will show up on your computer, but not on your tablet. Go ahead and touch all of the places that have little plus marks. Sometimes there are issues with this, so you might have to recalibrate the pen a couple times, and this is why it is so important to have the most updated driver. If you have a previous version, there will be problems with connecting the pen and having it aligned. Woohoo! Now you can open whichever app you're using and roll it over to your tablet to start working. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment them below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing. That way it'll help it get out to more people. Thanks for watching Art with Bianca. Stick around to see more art and motherhood.